Home buyers, Mumbaikars from Mumbai. Today I Surang Burra from Regrove Infrastructure Private Limited is gonna be talking about residential real estate in 7 best places in Mumbai. First of all, talking about the introduction, graded as the second best city to reside in the ease of living index 118, Navi Mumbai is a well planned and managed city. We all know Navi Mumbai was built as a twin city of Mumbai so that the population of Mumbai could be managed. Surrounded by the waters of the Arabian Sea, Navi Mumbai real estate has witnessed immense growth to emerge as the fastest developing city extension in India. Commercial, residential and private infrastructure development has been fast-paced, allowing Navi Mumbai to become a much-coveted real estate hotspot. Now, what are these 7 places which I am talking about? After considering various parameters on the places that are worthy of investment, here's a list of the places in Mumbai which a customer can consider from an investment point of view. At number 1, we have Kharghar. Kharghar joins the CBD of Belapur in Navi Mumbai and is bound by 2 major highways with picturesque Kharghar Hills. The Taloja Industrial Estate and Taloja Creek are located on the east. The place is easily approachable from Pune and other major cities of the state like Thane, Kalyan, Nasik, etc. Bus connectivity in Kharghar connects to places like Dadar, Thane, Vashi, Sion, etc. Kharghar ensures quality education due to the presence of schools like DAV International School, APJ School, Sanjeevani International School, Trine International School, Retrieve School, Kharghar, and many more. Proximity to the proposed international airport and the metro project will provide high-class infrastructure, thereby lending an opportunity for businesses to move between workstation and the airport. Then number 2, we have Taloja. Apart from being close to industrial areas of Kharghar and CBD Belapur, Taloja has great prominence from property seekers because of its connectivity, strategic location, and affordability. Taloja is located in the vicinity of Kharghar. It is a central business district and has MIDC industrial areas with several small and big industries. The upcoming international airport will be positioned around 15 km from here. If you are looking to invest in affordable housing, you may choose Taloja as it will give higher real estate values with the proposed infrastructural development. And at number 3, we have Vashi. Vashi, the first area developed in Mumbai, has a lot to offer than just connectivity to Mumbai. Nestled across the Thane Creek of the Arabian Sea, Vashi is currently gaining popularity for commercial places, food chains, retail, recreational activities, and many more. If we talk about connectivity, the locality is well connected to Mumbai as well as Pune and MT buses. Local trains connecting Thane, Panvel, and CST are connected very well. Vashi has always been an upgraded place for people living in other parts of Mumbai, so investing here would definitely guarantee you good returns if done well. Then at number 4, we have Airoli. Belonging to MMR, Airoli is a well-developed node in the Mumbai region that is partly residential and partly a commercial hub. The nearby Airoli and Rewale station fall in the Thane-Vashi railway line. Both the bridge and local train facility has contributed in making Airoli more accessible. Best and MMT buses also run frequently from Airoli to other Mumbai areas. The Bulun-Airoli bridge has brought about a drastic change in the connectivity of Airoli as it connects the locality to the Eastern Express Highway, Dhirubhai Ambani Knowledge City, Mindspace and Patni Knowledge Park. It is growing as a knowledge hub. And number 5, we have Nerul. Nerul property has seen a surge in rates due to factors like existence of educational institutes, presence of landmarks such as Ayappa Temple, Rock Garden, which has an amphitheatre, children's play area, botanical garden, adds not only to Nerul popularity but also its growth index and connectivity to Vashi. There is also an increasing demand for flats on rent in Nerul because of the colleges, CS, D.Y. Patil College, Dana College, and many more. Surrounded by gardens in every sector, you can easily get away from the chaos within the locality. Today, Nerul has transformed itself into a fast developing locality equipped with excellent infrastructure and easy accessibility to Mumbai and Thane. Thus, we can infer that Nerul is a coveted destination in terms of everything. Then number 6, we have Ulve. Ulve is located in the Raigad district with close proximity to the Sion Panvel Expressway. Ulve is still a developing node in the Navi Mumbai extension, although it begs for attention owing to its well-planned infrastructure. Ulve is strategically located across the Panvel Creek and its visual contact with CBD Belapur and Seawoods. Ulve is still in the developing phase, so nearby schools like Redcliffe School, Irose International School, Indian Model School are appropriate since they are just 15 to 20 minutes away. The transformation of Ulve from a drowsy suburb into a realty hotspot in the span of 5 years is absolutely wonderful and promising. Improved and managed by CIDCO, Ulve is a hub of the city of Mumbai. It is accessibility to the proposed Mumbai International Airport, Sivri Naura Seva Trans Harbour Link, and Nerul Belapur Kharkopar local train. This area has seen exponential growth in the property price. Then at number 7 we have Panvel. Real estate market in Panvel is witnessing upward trend, and there has been a significant rise in demand for millennials, surrounded by some major MIDC managed region like Patalganga, Taloja, Nagothane, Roha, Khopali, Bhivandi, and many more. Located close to Mumbai-Pune Expressway and the Sion-Panvel Highway, commuting to either Mumbai or Pune, it is convenient. Dr. Pillai International School, DAV Public School, the Panvel, St. Joseph's High School, Kendra Vidyalaya, Pillai's Institute of Information and Technology, Sandiniketan Public School, and many more ensures valued schooling in Panvel. The proposed Navi Mumbai Transport Harbour ceiling to boost connectivity further is also there in Panvel. Also, the proposed 140-kilometer Virar-Alibag multimodal corridor will fast-track the transformation of Navi Mumbai into a developed city. The proposed Naina City Navi Mumbai Airport infra-notified area by CIDCO, which is in the works, another factor contributing to the increased interest. So these are the 7 best places for residential real estate in Mumbai. I hope you like this video. If you are interested in buying a property over here, you should contact us, the Regrov team, so we can offer you the best prices, best discounts, best offers, and also let you know further details about the projects. The contact information for the same is given below in the description below. Thank you.